Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Google AI for beginners. So first things first, what you're going to do here is you have to go to Google AI, and then here you have to create an account. So basically this is what it looks like. Now here on the left side you can see here new prompt. This opens a chat-like interface, and on the left side you can define your system instruction, what kind of assistant you want, formal, humorous, technical, everything is up to you. And on the right side you can start typing user messages and test how the AI responds. So here in Google AI, you can choose for Gemini 1.5 Pro for most powerful, good for coding and reasoning, or Gemini 1.0 Pro for fast general purpose. And basically, it's the same thing. You just have to simply add a prompt right here, run prompt. As you can see, Google AI Studio is really fast when it comes to responding answers, and all you have to do here is to just copy and paste it anywhere you wish. Now, aside from generating or asking prompts, Google AI Studio can also export API for developers. So if you notice, like once you're happy with the result, then you can click use in code. You can provide code snippets here if you know Python, CURL, Node.js with your prompt settings. You can plug this to any app using the Gemini API with via Google Cloud. If you know that, then you can use Google AI Studio. So once you're done, you can save the prompt, you can copy paste it, you can organize save prompts and reuse them later. So for beginners, try examples from the homepage like summarization, email writing, code generation, and all you have to do is to combine system plus user prompts for the best result. So Google AI Studio is good for summarize documents, emails, or reports, write and test code, generate marketing content, and convert prompts into working API requests. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.